Hello everyone. In this fixed beam, we are going to find out the fixed end moments. This fixed beam carries UDL. This UDL starts from the distance of A and ends at the distance of B. Let us consider an elemental distance dx at a distance of x. From the point A, the load acting for the elemental distance dx will be equal to W into dx. The fixed end moments due to the elemental load W dx will be dMA and dMB. Now let us make a formula for dMA. Let us consider a fixed beam carrying a concentrated load W at a distance of A from the left side. The formula for the fixed end moment MA is WAB square upon L square. For DMA, we are going to use the same formula. Here, instead of W, we have to apply W dx. Instead of A, we have to apply X. And instead of B, we have to apply L minus X. From here, to find out MA, we have to make integration. The limits for the integration are A to B because the UDL starts from the distance A and ends at the distance B. Let us take W and L square outside because they are constants. For L minus X the whole square, let us apply A minus B the whole square formula. The formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Using the formula, we are getting this. Then let us multiply X with this term. When we do that, we are getting this. Then let us go for integration. Using this formula, we can integrate. Then let us apply the limits. We have to be very careful. When we apply the lower limit, we have to change the sign. From these two terms, we can take L square upon 2 outside. From these two terms, we can take 2L upon 3 outside. And from these two terms, we can take 1 upon 4 outside. From here, we can make more simplifications. So this is the formula for MA. Now let us make a formula for DMB. If the concentrated load is acting at a distance of A, the formula for the fixed end moment MB is WA square B upon L square. Instead of W, we have to apply W dx. Instead of A, we have to apply X. And instead of B, we have to apply L minus X. From here, to find out MB, we have to make integration. We know that the limits for the integration are A to B. Let us take W upon L square outside. Then let us multiply X square with L minus X. When we do that, we will get these. Using this formula, let us integrate. When we integrate, we will get these. Then let us apply the limits. From these two terms, let us take L upon 3 outside. And from these two terms, let us take 1 upon 4 outside. This is the formula for MB. In this fixed beam, we have derived the formulas for MA and MB. MA will be acting in the anticlockwise direction and MB will be acting in the clockwise direction. Let us assume that the UDL is acting for the whole span. In this case, A will be 0 and B will be L. You can see that in this fixed beam, the UDL is acting for the full span. Now let us find out the fixed end moment MA. For that, in this formula, we have to apply 0 instead of A and L instead of B. When we do that, we are getting MA, which is equal to WL square upon 12. In the similar way, we can find out MB. For that, in this formula, we have to apply 0 instead of A and L instead of B. When we do that, we are getting MB, which is equal to WL square upon 12. Now, we are going to end this session. Thank you for watching this video.